you look amazing today. Who are you wearing?
I'm wearing Manish Malhotra.
So do you find any pressure being a young, beautiful actor, but also to stay like a style icon?
Well, I mean, there's pressure if you want to feel the pressure, but I think I dress more for myself, and style is, I think, an extension of your personality. So I think as long as you're having fun with your personality and what you want to do, then it's not pressure, it's just fun.
You're nominated this year for 2 awards, and I'm sure will be 2 films. Lots of exactly. How do you see your career 25 years from now?
Oh my God, I don't know what I'm doing 25 minutes from now. So I can definitely don't look at my career 25 years from now. And hello. Oh, hi, how are you?
No.
So yeah, I have no idea what I'm going to do 25 years from now.
स्क्रूटनी होती है, इतना ज़्यादा स्पॉटलाइट में रहती है एक-एक चीज़ आपकी, तो अपने आप को कैसे केयरफ्री कैसे रखते हैं? How do you decide कि I'm just going to be myself?
अरे but I feel scrutiny, तो I think I don't know. I think as long as मेरा ये मानना है कि as long as लोग मेरे बारे में बात कर रहे हैं वो ठीक है. जब बात करना बंद करेंगे तब मेरे को डर लगेगा.
So even bad publicity is good publicity?
There's no publicity. Just talk about me and I'll be fine, good or bad.
And what are the upcoming movies? Today you look very beautiful. What are you wearing?
I'm wearing Manish Malhotra.
Manish Malhotra. So what is your plan for tonight after Eye for Rocks?
I plan to get some sleep because I have a performance tomorrow and I'm like
Are
jet
you
lagged.
excited? Are you excited?
I'm really excited because we're performing at the beautiful MetLife Stadium. And
From 1 to 10, how excited are you?
the 10 is not on the scale.
What's your number?
Give me the highest number in your head right now.
To the moon and back.
Okay. Even
That-
further.
Even further?
Yeah.
All right, great. Thank you so much.
प्रोजेक्ट
Can you-
चूज करने से पहले अपनी पेरेंट्स से कंसल्ट करती हैं या अपनी पसंद से करती हैं?
Sorry?
कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट पिक करने से पहले
नहीं,
पेरेंट्स से कंसल्ट करती हैं?
I think, I mean, the only parent who I really consult is Karan. क्योंकि वही ऐसे it started off like that कि जब मैं उन्हीं की advice लेती थी, and I think that's the way it will go. I'll only take Karan's advice when I'm choosing my films.
So Gulshan Grover was telling us about.
Yeah, I mean, I've not planned it like in a way कि ये साल में इतना करना है, but if something interesting comes, definitely, why not? Especially after Bahubali. Yeah.
Ali, Gulshan Grover was saying that he was saying that the younger generation of actors, you have to be even more prepared than any generation before in terms of being able to dance and being able to sing and being able to, you know, be fit. Do you feel that that's true now for people trying to break it?
I think I don't know, maybe because I have nothing to compare it to, but I feel like hard work has always been, I think, something that is people have always asked for and always wanted to see, and whether it's the younger generation or the older generation, I feel everybody's always worked really hard, and I think that's what gets you where it's supposed to get you. So there's no shortcuts when it comes to hard work.
And last thing, do you have any film inspiration? Like, who's your inspiration as an actor, actress?
Well, I look up to everybody who inspires me for different reasons. I look up to Deepika for, you know, just her poise and her elegance. I look up to Kangna for her acting, you know, Sonam for her candidness. So I think everybody can inspire you in various ways if you want them to.
Can I get one?
Thank you.
लाइफ में सबसे ज़्यादा